And we're back to learn Photoshop in year day 352. Let's just say we wanted to adjust this photo right here. I don't know, just a couple of random adjustments. I'll add some brightness and contrast. And then we play around with the color balance. Maybe something like this. And now we wanted to keep this style, to add it to a bunch of photos and maybe even photos in the future. So let me switch to the second example. We would have to do the same, but there's an easier way. We can just hold Control and left click on both adjustment layers that you want to have. And now we need the adjustments menu. If you can't see that, go to Window, click on Adjustments. Here you can see all of the presets. And if you click on a plus sign, you can create a new one. Let me call that TUT 1. And this now stores the color balance and the brightness and contrast. So both adjustment layers that are fused, and obviously you can add multiple, will all be stored here. And if I go to the next photo, standard adjustments, I can simply left click on the TUT 1, and this will be added now here as an adjustment layer folder. And therefore we get the color balance and the brightness just the way that we've adjusted it for the first image here for the second one. With a trash can, you can delete the presets that you've stored, and then you've got a clean adjustments menu again. And this is how you can create and use presets in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.